Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you a new free tool and it is for converting lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase, or you want for example the title case, and it is for free. I will put everything in the description box so you will not write anything, but if you want to write directdari.com as it's written here, and then come to AI tools and then go to text case converter. Okay, as you can see here, the converter is so easy, so good, so cool, and you have some four buttons. So let's go to ChatGPT. Oops, no, but it's ChatGPT. Or let's just get any paragraph. Okay, and let's paste it here. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. So if you want to be uppercase, you will just click uppercase, and as you can see here, you will find it uppercase. By the way, there's no limit and it will never change the text, how can I say, form, not form, but yeah, you understood. If you want it lowercase, if you want it title case, as you can see here, the title is always starting, each word starting with an uppercase letter, and of course if you want to clear, you can just clear. Good, cool, and it's so amazing. This website, by the way, I love it and I like it, and it has a lot of many free tools, as you can see here: button counter, love calculator, image resizer, audio to text generator. I will do a video for this tool because it's so good. And yeah, this is for today. Thank you for watching and bye bye.